Everything you know is in your mind.
Welcome to my channel Playing with Mathematics. Most of the mathematician works on the field of number system since early age. Today I am going to discuss about the rational number, which is an essential part of the number system. So let's start. The rational number is a part of real number. First, a number can be divided into two parts, real part and complex number. Real number, complex number is of the form root over of minus 4i, 4, or that is equal to root over of minus 1 into root of 4, that is equal to I into 2, that is 2i. Or complex number, root over of any minus 3. Any negative number root is a complex number, from a complex number, where I is the unit of complex number, and 1 is the unit of real number. Now real number can be divided into two part, irrational number and rational number. This will be discussed later. Now I am discuss the part rational number. Rational number, all the integers, fraction, whole number, natural number are included in this rational number. In suppose n be the set of a natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, w be the set of all whole numbers, z or I be the set of all integers. Now n be the subset of w, be the subset of z and subset of q, rational number, and the subset of real number. This is also called positive integer, and whole number is also called non-negative integers. Now I am going to discuss the part rational number. Any integer or any number is of the form p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0 is a rational number, where p, q are prime to each other, p and q are prime to each other. Now I am discuss some properties of rational number. First, all the integers are included in the rational number. All the fractions, half, 3 by 5, and all these fractions are also included in this rational number. Here 1 by 0, 0 by 1 is also a rational number, that is equal to 0, but 1 by 0 this is undefined, not equals infinity, this is undefined, so it is not a rational number. Also whole number, natural number, positive integer, negative integer are also natural number. Now another property of rational number is denseness property. That is, every rational number are everywhere dense. That is, between two rational number, there exists infinite number of rational number. Suppose 1 and 5 are two rational number, then 1 plus 5 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 2, that is 3 is also a rational number. Also 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 1.5 is also a rational number. And so between two rational number we get infinite number of rational number. Now I will discuss a problem related to rational numbers. Find 6 rational numbers between 2 and 4. Suppose the number line, this is 1, the point 2, between 2 and 4 we insert 6 rational number. Method 1. Now the middle point of this 2 and 4 is also a rational number. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3 is a rational number. Suppose this is 3. Again we bisect 2 and 3. Sub 2 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2 is also a rational number. This is inside the middle point of 2 and 3. This is 5 by 2. Again we divide 3 and 4. Therefore 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 7 by 2 is also a rational number. Now again we divide midpoint of this and this we can find, or we can find the middle point of this and this, or this or this, or this and this. Since 6 rational numbers I want to solve 6 rational number, therefore given 1, 2, 3 and others 3, suppose this and this, fourth rational number 2 plus 5 by 2, that is equals 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 9 by 2. This point is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. This is also included between 2 and 4. 9 by 2. Again we divide the middle point of this and this. Therefore fifth rational number is 5 by 2 plus 3 divided by 2. You get 11 by 2. This is also a rational number, 11 by 2. We can get another rational number between this and this, 3 plus 7 by 2, that is equals 13 by 2 is 13 by 2. Since 6 rational numbers are essential, therefore we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 6 rational number. You can also more 6 or greater 8, 7, 9, 10. We can easily find the middle point of this and this, and we get all the rational number. Now I will discuss a better method to solve this problem. This is also equal step method. Equal steps method. Now if A and B are two rational number, then we divide this in this interval into n equal parts of each length h. Suppose this a plus h, next step a plus 2h, h, continue this process, a plus 2h, again this rational number is, this is h, this is a, so this point is a plus h, and this point is a plus h, that is a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus 3h. Continue this process, we get a plus nh, where h equals, equal step means total length b minus a divided by n plus 1. N equal parts, because 3 and 5. If we divide this by insert this between 3 and 5 1 points, then this point is h is 5 minus 3 by 2. 2 means 1 plus 1, 1 points, n equals 1, that is equals 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So this h equals 1. You get the point 3 plus h, that is 3 plus 1, this is equal to 4. Similarly, for n points, we get the rational numbers are a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, and continue a plus nh. Apply this method, I will solve this problem. Here a equals 2, b equals 4, h equals n equals 6. Therefore h equals b minus a by n plus 1, that is equals 4 minus 2 by 6 plus 1, 4 minus 2 by 6 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by 7. H equals 2 by 7. So you get the first point is a plus, first number is a plus h, that is a plus h means 2 plus 2 by 7, 16 by 7, that is 16 by 7. Next point a plus 2h, 2 plus 2 into 2 by 7, that is equals 14 plus 4 by 7, 18 by 7. This point is 18 by 7. This point is a plus 3h, a plus 4h, a plus 5h, and last point a plus 6h. Continue this process, you get 18 by 7, 18 to 20 by 7, and this point 22 by 7, and this 24 by 7, and this point is 26 by 7. Decimal representation of rational numbers. Every rational number has a decimal expansion. Decimal representation means the rational number either terminating or repeating, that is recurring. Repeating means non-terminating, repeating, that is 3.52222, we write 3.52 bar, or if the number is 3.237, suppose this, that is 3.2373737, continue this non-terminating but repeating. These are also rational number. And terminating means if a rational number p by q is of the in the simplest form, that is the common factor is excluded, then p by q, q with the denominator, if q is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m n belongs to this whole number, then the fraction must terminate. That is when a number, the denominator is only the factor is 1 is only the factor 2 to the power 5 to the power m and 5 to the power n is of the form this, then this is terminate, therefore the terminating rational number. A repeating means if the denominator is the factor this other than this, that is extra factor 7, 5, 7, 3 and others. Now the problem 1 is terminating or recurring. Since this is of the denominator is 5, that is of the form 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 1, 2 to the power m, mn belongs to whole number, 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 1, therefore it must terminating. Now this also is of the form 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 0, therefore it is also terminating. Now 20 is of the form 4 into 5, 2 square into 5 to the power 1, this is only of the form this and this, therefore it is also terminating. But here is a form q is equal to 3 is not of the form 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n, therefore it is recurring, and this also recurring. Suppose the problem is 25 by 2 to the power q into 7 into 3, this product is also recurring. Any of the factor other than 2 and 5 in the denominator, then this must be recurring or non-terminating repeating. Now I will discuss some problems. Convert from decimal expansion to fraction. Suppose the decimal expansion, that is terminating, non-terminating decimal number. Here we use some tips. First, here the point 3 digit after the decimal point. Therefore, we multiply this x equals 1.235 and continue this x equals this. Since after decimal it has 3 digit taking 1 times, therefore we multiply 1030. 1000x equals 1000x equals 1235.235, and this is also x equals 0.1235 this. So here the digit after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, therefore we multiply this by 1, 2, 3, 4, not x equals 1235.235 and continue. Similarly, x equals 0.0123, continue. Therefore, the digit after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, x equals 123.33, continue. Now also the non-repeating digit after decimal here is not, therefore x equals only write 1.235 and continue. Again only one digit after decimal, therefore we multiply this by 10x. 10x equals 1.235 and continue. Now here the points non-repeating after decimal 3 digits, therefore 3 knots. 3 naught x equals 1 equals 2.333 and this continue 1000x multiply this by 1000 1 2 3 this. Now subtracting this 999x equals this portion is deleted, therefore 1 2 3 5 minus 1, therefore x equals 1 2 3 5 minus 1 by 999, that is 1 3 3 4, that is 1 2 3 4 by 999. Again subtracting this we get 9990x equals this minus this 1 2 3 5 minus 1 and this portion is out divided by eta, therefore x equals similarly 1 2 3 5 minus 1 divided by 9990, that is 1 2 3 4 by 9990. Again subtracting this you get 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 9 x equals this portion is cancelled, so 1 2 3 minus 1 2, therefore x equals 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 divided by 9000. Thanks for watching. Link of PDF is given in description also. Check out my website, link is given in the description.